What are entry-level remote tech jobs?
The entry-level remote tech jobs are positions that welcome beginners and require basic digital skills. These roles are designed for people starting their tech careers, often after learning skills through courses or self-study. Many companies now offer remote options, allowing you to work from anywhere. These jobs let you gain experience, build your portfolio, and advance in the tech industry over time.
Which digital skills do you need?
To qualify for entry-level remote tech jobs, you typically need skills in areas like basic coding, web development, data entry, digital marketing, technical support, or graphic design. Familiarity with tools such as Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and collaboration platforms is often expected. You don't need to be an expert. Practical skills and a willingness to learn are most important for these roles.
What remote jobs can you do with basic coding skills?
Junior web developer, software tester, and website content manager are common remote jobs for those with basic coding knowledge. These roles often use HTML, CSS, or simple JavaScript. You might help update websites, fix small bugs, or assist with quality assurance. Many companies offer structured onboarding, making these roles accessible to self-taught learners and recent graduates.
Are tech support and customer service roles a good start?
Yes, remote technical support and help desk positions are excellent entry points. These jobs involve assisting clients or employees with tech problems, ranging from software issues to login troubleshooting. Good communication and basic technical understanding are essential. These roles offer valuable experience and often lead to advanced positions in IT or customer success.
Can you work in digital marketing without experience?
Remote digital marketing assistant and social media coordinator jobs are open to beginners with digital skills. Duties might include scheduling social media posts, basic graphic design, email campaigns, or simple analytics. Training is often provided. These roles offer a practical way to enter the tech field and expand your skill set while working remotely.
Frequently asked questions.
Are certifications required? Not always, but they can help your resume stand out. How can you find remote tech jobs? Search on job boards, company websites, and networking platforms. Is prior work experience necessary? Many entry-level jobs accept candidates with projects or coursework as evidence of skills. Start applying and learn as you go. There are many opportunities available.